Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the Apple ID credentials and owning the device. This is required to disable stolen device protection. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top to access iCloud and Find My. Make sure Find My iPhone is visible so you can proceed. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication on your trusted device or phone number. These first steps prove ownership and unlock the menus needed to remove activation lock and turn off protection. Now you will turn off Find My iPhone, which directly disables the activation lock. Tap Find My, then Find My iPhone and toggle it off. You'll be asked for the Apple ID password because this prevents unauthorized removal. Enter the password, then hit Turn Off. The device contacts Apple's servers to clear the activation lock. Make sure you stay connected to Wi-Fi so the request completes. Once the toggle confirms off, the device is no longer protected by the activation lock. Finish by restarting the iPhone and verifying settings shows Find My is off. This ensures the change applied. If activation lock still appears, sign into iCloud. Calm with your Apple ID, go to Find iPhone, select the device, and remove it from your account. This clears protection server side. If you can't enter the password, start Apple ID account recovery or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. That step resolves credential problems and completes the removal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.